What do you get, bro?
Alright, folks. The fucking baby shower's over. I'm with my two boys here. I'm with Jay Bird and I'm with Adam.
Yo.
Yeah. We are getting ready to fucking burn this cake box, which will be the end of the night. This fire pit's been crazy so far, Adam. This is gonna be nuts. This is like the fucking closing ceremonies. I almost feel like this shit's like the Olympics. We drank so many beers, just had a good time.
Beck's gonna come out here and join us.
Wait, Beck Bird's next. This is like the fucking closing ceremony of the Olympics.
This is very dangerous.
This is very dangerous. I'm gonna stand back.
We are throwing
all these fucking beers. Oh shit! Here we go. Here we go. He is throwing the fucking cake box on the. Wait, I think Jay Bird's the cake box. The cake boss, I think.
Cake boss.
Cake boss has show. Oh shit!
Phil, he's not no cake boss.
He's the cake. Wait, let me get a selfie with him, dude, in the video. Hey, Jake, you look at me. Look at this shit. The fucking shit's burning. Holy shit. Man, everybody's on tape. Holy shit.
I don't know what to say.
Oh, shit. Wait. One more time. Selfie with everybody.
I just like big fires.
Great baby shower. Kara, this is what you gotta look forward to. This is all your fucking family members right here. Holy shit.
Yeah, this is what I like. See? Hey, now you get a picture. There you go.
Now you get a fucking... Holy shit, dog. Should we start the fucking chorus?
Raise it up.
It's helping the fire.
Burn.
Strong. Kara,
Kara.
you're a beautiful, strong young lady.
Maria, you got this shit to look forward to. All this crazy stuff we do over here.
You're not going to see this until you're a little bit older.
A little bit older.
A little bit.
A little bit older.
Where you can understand the words that...
Hey, you know, this is a good way. This is a good way to recycle and shit. Like, just...
I can't believe you'd even play this in front of our kids. So.
Dude, our kids are gonna... Wait. Our kids are gonna be the same way we are.
Time capsule, cuz.
This is a time capsule. Dude, our kids are gonna be the same way we are.
Yeah, I understand that,
put the lid on.
I'm not gonna...
Put the screen on.
Blackbird's like, honey, would you put a lid on?
Dude, I'm not gonna, antagonize it.
I don't want
them to get wild like I did. I don't want them to do the crazy shit that I did.
Alright, folks, it's...
Education.
Education.
I want them to get an education. Not an education.
An education.
Yes. And Maria and Tiffany and
Kara.
My girls, I can teach them the street smarts.
Yeah.
They need to get an education.
They need to get
not
an education. Well,
Stay in
guys.
school. Don't be a fool.
As this fire burns out,
here.
it's been an all-day thing. Crest Baby Shower shared with, I'm not even going to say friends, all of our family. Because these guys are our family. Adam,
love you,
Becky, I love you too, man. These guys are our family, not just friends. What Beckbird's doing, she's fucking closing out the Olympics. Fucking closing out the Olympics. Disco Inferno. And it's a wrap.